All right, well, finally got a little time off. Not really time off, just got home from work before the sun went down. And so, as exciting as it is to get a brand new boat, well, not a brand new boat, brand new to you boat, you want to come home, you want to get all the easy stuff taken care of, you want to get it cleaned up. I really wanted to just connect the fuel hoses and put in a new battery and fire this thing up. But I don't know how long it's been since it's run. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the spark plugs. We're going to spray a little oil down in there, check the spark plugs, kind of see if there's anything that we can see that might be out of the ordinary, and then we'll move on from there. So before we get started, time for a cigar. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go through and we're going to remove, you can see I already took the boot off of this one. Go through, take the boot off, take the spark plugs out. We got 6 of them here. Important thing to do is to keep these things in order, set them off to the side so you remember what came out of where when it is time to start looking at them and figure out if you got something else going on inside there. So I'm gonna take these out, I'll be right back. All right, so here's our spark plugs. Doesn't look too bad. Not bad. A little bit of carbon fouling on that one. Maybe running a little rich. We're gonna be checking the carburetors later anyways. Doesn't look too bad. I think that's just some oil there on the tip. That one looks really good. And then there's that one. All right, so I'm not sure what's going on up there, but it's dry. All right, so that's carbon fouling as opposed to oil fouling. So anyways, that's what we got on the spark plugs. Not horrible. All right, so before we start turning this thing over, see if we've got any compression or anything like that. I don't know how long it's sat, and I really don't want it to cause any damage. Who knows how long it's been since there's been any sort of lubrication in there. So I'm gonna take a little of this Seafoam spray, top engine cleaner and lube, and I'm gonna just spray it in there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in gear. Sorry for the cobwebs. We're gonna go ahead and put it in gear. But this is a really good time to check your shift linkage. So if you look right there, okay, set this right here. All right, so when you put it in reverse, moves down, and then in forward. So good idea to go ahead and check that while you're doing this, but we're gonna go ahead and put it into forward here. And then we're going to give the prop a little kick, and hopefully we hear something. Do not do this if your spark plugs are still in. I'm going to put my hand over each hole. All right, got something coming out of each one, so that's a plus.